Hi dear students, in this video I am going to discuss how to find the surface area of a sphere as well as hemisphere, and I am not going to derive this formula because that activity is quite long, so I am not going to going for that one. We can just write the formula here. Okay, so in case of sphere, okay, there is only one quantity we need to know, that is radius. So what is a sphere? It is made up of all the points in a space which is at equal distance, which are at equal distance from the center of the sphere. Clear? And that distance is called the radius. That is a collection of all the points in the space. Okay, it is a three-dimensional figure. Now, what is the total surface area? Total surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. This is the formula, you can remember it. 4 times of the area of a circle. And what will be the area of hemisphere? What is hemisphere? In case of hemisphere, we can consider a sphere is sliced into two equal parts. We will get a hemisphere. And this is the radius, and this also will be the radius. Therefore, curved surface area of hemisphere will be 2 pi r square. Why it is 2 pi r square? Because the curved surface area of the hemisphere will be equal to the half of the sphere area of the sphere. Okay. That's why 4 pi r square divided by 2 will be 2 pi r square. Now what will be the total surface area of the hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square plus area of this base. In case of hemisphere, curved surface area plus area of base, that is pi r square, because base is in the form of a circle. Pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. So this is the area formula to find the total surface area as well as curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. First I am taking a simple question from exercise 13.4. Okay. Question number 1, option number 1. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter. Radius is equal to 10.5 centimeter. And we can easily find the surface area. The surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. What is the radius? I am writing as 21 by 2 centimeter. Just to convert this decimal into fraction. So that means multiply and divide by 2. So here 4 pi r square, that is 4 into, what is the value of pi? Pi value is not given, so we can put as 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. That means radius square is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. This cancelled, we will get it. 2 cancel with 4. 22 into 3 is equal to 66 into 21, which is equal to 1386 centimeters square. Okay. Now, I am taking question number 4. Question number 4 is, the radius of the hemispherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. So, the initial radius is equal to 7 centimeter. And the final radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Clear? Then, as the air is being pumped in it, so when the air is being pumped into it, obviously the size of the balloon will get increases. That means the radius also will get increase. So initially it was 7 centimeter and finally it was 14 centimeter. Then find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. So the ratio is equal to ratio of surface area in two cases is equal to initial surface area divided by final surface area. That is the way we are finding the ratio, which is equal to, what is the initial surface area? Will be 4 pi r1 square. That is the surface area of the balloon. Why it is 4 pi r square? Because Here the spherical balloon, that means balloon, the shape of the balloon is sphere. And what is the final surface area? That will be 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi is cancelled. We will get r1 square by r2 square. Clear? Therefore, ratio is equal to 7 square divided by 14 square. What is 7 square? 7 into 7 divided by 14 into 14. Which is 7 cancelled with 14 and this 7 also cancelled. So we will get 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, the ratio is 1 is to 4. Clear? Next I am taking question number 7. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Or 4 into diameter of moon will be equal to diameter of earth. In both way we can write it. So 4 into radius of moon is equal to radius of earth. Both we can keep as capital. Also clear. So the radius of moon should be equal to 4 into radius of moon is equal to radius of earth. Why? Because to convert from diameter to radius, we need to divide both LHS and RHS by 2. Clear? Then only we will get radius. So when we dividing the equation by 2 on both sides, we will get the same. There will not be any change in the equation. Clear? So 4 into radius of moon will be equal to the radius of earth. Now come to the question. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Very simple question. Surface area of moon divided by surface area of earth should be equal to 4 pi into radius of moon square divided by 4 pi into radius of earth square. This is the surface area of the moon and this is the surface area of the earth. Cancel. Which is equal to Rm square divided by, what is the radius of earth in terms of radius of moon? Which is equal to 4Rm whole square. Rm is cancelled, we will get 1 by 4 square is 16. Therefore, the ratio will be 1 is to 16. This is also a very important question, as even though it is simple question, but it is very important, especially in case of entrance examination. Clear? The next one, question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made up of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. So there is a bowl with a 25 centimeter thick. Clear? The thickness of this bowl is 25 centimeter. And the inner radius is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area. For that, first we need outer radius. Outer radius is equal to 5 centimeter plus 0.25 centimeter, which is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Outer radius will be this. That means inner radius plus the thickness of the bowl. That will be the outer radius. Therefore, the outer curved surface area will be, outer curved surface area is equal to, what do we get? 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into, pi value is not given, so we can substitute as 22 by 7 into, radius is 5.25 into 5.25 radius square. Solving this is a numerical calculation which needs, so solving these values, okay, calculating these numerical values, we will get 173.25 centimeter square as the final outer curved surface area. Now come to the question number 9, that is, right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Okay, a right circular cylinder encloses a sphere of radius r. A sphere of radius r. So what is the radius of sphere? Radius of sphere is equal to r. And what will be the radius of cylinder? That also will be r, because as the cylinder encloses a sphere, the radius of the cylinder should be is equal to the radius of the sphere. Okay, or the diameter of sphere should be is equal to the width of the cylinder or diameter of the base of the cylinder. And what about height? In case of height, this is height will be is equal to the diameter of the circle. Height will be is equal to diameter of the circle. That means h is equal to 2r. Clear? Now, first question is, what is the surface area of the sphere? Very simple. Surface area of a sphere will be equal to 4 pi r square, just a formula, because the radius is r. Second question is, curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r. Here 2 pi r into h is equal to 2r. Put this value here. 2r. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 pi r square. So the curved surface area of cylinder also will be equal to same as the surface area of the sphere, if a cylinder just encloses a sphere. Now what is the third question? Third question is ratio of their areas obtained in 1 and 2. So ratio will be ratio of surface area of sphere and surface area of cylinder is equal to 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. Cancel it, we will get 1 by 1. Okay? So, therefore the ratio is 1. Ratio is 1:2. With this, I am going to conclude today. In the next video, I will discuss something regarding the determination of volume. Okay? Thank you all.